This short tutorial for Red Pill Simulation's Orca Underwater Dolphin Rescue Fantasy will explain all you need to know to enjoy your ride.
To climb onto the saddle, first, grab the handlebar with your left hand. Then step first with your right foot onto the edge, then with your left foot onto the seat support. Finally, swing your leg over the saddle and sit. The operator will then raise the harness support and wrap the harness around you as needed. Adults without dizziness problems and with no physical limitations will not ordinarily need the harness. For all rides, the harness support will be raised in place as a barrier to let you know if you are leaning back too far. Next, you'll want to put your feet in the left and right stirrups. If you're wearing large boots, they may not fit. That's okay. You don't need to use the stirrups.
Finally, grab a hold of both handlebars. There are buttons on top of each handlebar that you should not touch. The left button will shut the ride down. The ride operator will ask if you're ready and the ride will start when you respond affirmatively. At game start, there is a cutscene that will calibrate you to your Orca's controls. Please remain stationary during the calibration. You'll also be shown a green and red HUD arrow which will disappear before you launch. You will not gain control of your Orca until the HUD arrow reappears underwater. Once it reappears, your job is to center the HUD arrow by steering to put the small green square inside the larger red square. When the HUD is centered correctly, the entire HUD will turn green and you will accrue HUD points. Correctly reaching each target will also gain you game points. The HUD arrow will direct you through the entire mission. To center the HUD arrow, pretend you are the small green square. Lean left or right to move that green square left or right. Lean forward to push your square forward and lean back to climb. It doesn't take much. Even just thinking about which way you want to go is sometimes enough. But whales are more intelligent and stubborn than dragons, and you may need to be patient as your whale may not respond immediately to your inputs. After a few seconds, if you're not climbing or descending as you desire, lean a little more. It will take some practice. Turning left or right is generally easier than climbing or descending. Throughout the mission, keep the HUD arrow centered as best you can to gain the maximum number of points. Good luck.